If you're making very little to no sales in your Etsy shop, it's probably because you're not driving enough traffic to it. Pinterest is the #1 traffic source for many Etsy sellers, including myself. I always find that I make more sales during the months that I promote my products on Pinterest. So if you're currently not using Pinterest for your shop or you have no idea how it works, then this video is for you. Pinterest is an amazing traffic source because first of all, it's free to use, and it's a visual search engine. Users are constantly going into Pinterest and typing in the search bar exactly what they're looking for. Each pin directs them to either a blog post or a product for sale. So they're either looking for inspiration or something to buy. You can see that when you create and upload pins of your Etsy products, people will find your pin, click on it, and they're automatically directed to your Etsy product where they can purchase it. This video is going to be super beginner friendly. We're going to go over how to optimize your Pinterest profile, how to create Pinterest boards, how to create and upload pins, and how to find relevant keywords to use in your boards and pins because, like I mentioned, Pinterest is a search engine, and the better your keywords are, the easier it will be for your pins to rank. Before we dive into today's content, take a moment to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon. So let's get started. 1. Optimize your Pinterest profile for impact. Banner brilliance. If you don't already have a Pinterest account, just go to the sign up button on the top right and sign up with your email. It's just that easy. So let's talk about optimizing your account first, because the more you can fill in the required fields, the more people will want to follow you when they find your account, and the easier it will be for you to rank in Pinterest. The first thing you're going to upload is a profile cover, so basically, your banner. Now, if you're wondering what size this image should be, I've actually pulled up an article from Pinterest that tells you that it should be at least 800 pixels by 450 pixels. If you're designing your own banner in a tool like Photoshop or Canva, then just make sure that it's at least these dimensions. Mine is very basic, but very on brand for what I offer in my Etsy shop. I just got this stock image from pixels.com. They offer free stock images that you can use. But you could totally choose a stock image, put it into a design tool like Canva, and maybe add in some text on what your profile is about, maybe even add in the URL to your Etsy shop, and maybe your Instagram account if you want your Pinterest followers to find you on other social media platforms. Profile picture perfection. Choose a clear profile photo. It could be your face or a brand logo. This personal touch helps users connect. Keyword mastery. Strategically sprinkle relevant keywords in your profile name and about section. This not only clarifies your niche, but enhances discoverability. Business account benefits. Switch to a business account to unlock analytics. It's like having a dashboard to track your Pinterest performance over time. 2. Crafting strategic boards and pins. Keyword-rich boards. Develop boards with titles packed with keywords related to your products. Think of these as thematic showcases. Collaborative spirit. Share pins from other creators, but be strategic. Opt for pins that complement your products, creating a harmonious feed. Design finesse. Explore the creative realm of Canva to design pins that stand out. Visual appeal is key in the Pinterest universe. 3. Uploading pins with finesse. Title and description diversity. Keep things fresh by using different titles and descriptions for your pins. This signals to Pinterest that you're consistently delivering unique content. Rich pins rule. Enhance user experience by including the direct link to your Etsy product. Changes you make to your Etsy listing automatically reflect in your pins. Consistent pinning schedule. Start with a manageable goal, say around 10 pins daily. Adjust this based on your audience engagement and evolving Pinterest presence. 4. Mastering keyword research. Search bar strategy. Begin with general terms related to your products in the Pinterest search bar. Explore the suggestions Pinterest provides. Related searches. Delve into related searches for each keyword to uncover additional phrases and terms that align with your products. Ads campaign insights. Explore Pinterest's ads campaign feature. Discover monthly search volumes to strategically choose keywords balancing demand and competitiveness. Remember, Pinterest is not just a platform, it's an ecosystem where strategic planning pays off. If you found this detailed breakdown helpful, sharing your insights in the comments, and checking out the Canva tutorial for additional inspiration. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest videos.